Jai Shri Ram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you, friends? I hope you all guys are doing very well. So, friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about a very common problem which is faced by every English learner. Okay, and after that, we solve the problem. What should we do to remove these types of problem? Okay, the problem is that why we can't speak in English. So friends, without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before going to the video, it's my humble request to all of you, please watch the video right till then, because this video is going to very helpful, very useful and very informative. So let's get into the video. So friends, my topic is why we can't speak in English. Okay, because friends, the problem is that what I am saying in this video, you totally understand. Okay, what I am saying in this video, you totally know as a single words, you know what I am saying this. Okay, but the point is that you know everything, you are able to understand every single words in English, but the problem is that you are not speaking English. Okay, you are passionate to learn this language, you are interested to learn this language, you are more energetic to learn this language, you are more anxious to learn this language, but you can't speak in English. Why? The problem is that, so there are so many problems. First we discuss about how, which kind of problem you have, and after that we have to start to solving these problems which you have. Okay, so first we identify which kind of problem you have. First, the problem is that's why you can't speak in English. The problem is, first is that sometimes people thought that they are too younger to learn this language. Third, and they thought that you are too older to learn this language. Okay, so the problem is that you think that you are too young to learn this language. Okay, and you think that you are too old to learn this language. Okay, but and if you are started to learn this language, then pupils, then your relatives, then your neighbor started to saying that why are you so worrying, why are you so concerned to learn this language, you are too young, you have a long time to learn this language, why are you so concerning this language, you are too old and you don't need to learn this language, there is no use to learn this language, then why are you so doing your efforts to learn this language. So there is a very big problem. So friends, if you have this type of problem, then I will tell you that there is no limit, there is no age limit to learn any skills. Okay, you can learn whatever you want and whenever you want, you can learn. There is no time to learn this language, there is no age to learn this language. If you have a passion, if you have a courage to learn anything, then you should start to learn something. Okay, because you don't need to follow the advice of the people. Okay, if you have eager, if you have passionate, then start to follow your passion, then start to follow your eagerness. Okay friends, so this is my solution. First solution is that there is no age limit to learn something. Okay, you can learn anything, something, whatever you want and whenever you want, there is no age limit. So friends, this is my first solution, and this is a first problem which I tell you what is the solution. Okay, the second problem is that sometimes people thought that they don't know the vocabulary. Okay, and when they want to say something in English, they wanted to speak in English, but there is a problem. Okay, then don't know how to use their words, how to use a proper words in a sentence, so they don't speak in English. Okay friends, so many of pupils face these types of problem. They thought that they don't know enough vocabulary. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say you that this is not a big problem. Okay, and you thought that you don't know the vocabulary, but I am sure you know everything. Okay, you should start your journey with simple easy sentence. Okay, after, if you are going to learn this language, after sometimes you catch automatically the vocabulary. Okay, don't worry, you thought that you don't know how to use proper vocabulary. You should start your journey with simple and easy sentence, with simple and easy words, and I am sure you know simple words. Okay, so start your journey. If you thought that you don't know much vocabulary, that's why you are not going to speak in English, so this is not a big issue. Okay, this is not a big deal. So this is a simple, sir, this is a pretend you escape to how to speak in English. Okay, so this is not good for you. If you want to speak in English, then start your journey with simple and easy sentences, and use vocab in your sentence framing sentences. Okay, friends, my so this is second tips which I gave you. Okay, the third problem is that many of people thought that I have done my whole education in Hindi medium school, so I don't know how to speak in English, but I have eager to learn this language because I am interested to learn this language. But because of my education, because of my past education, I am not able to speak in English. Okay, so this is third problem. This is the third fear. Okay, that's why people not going to speak in English. This is a third problem. So friends, I would like to say you that I have done my whole education in Hindi medium school. Okay, so my parents have no much money to study me in a CBSE and ICSE board. So I have done my whole education in Hindi medium school. Okay, I wanted to learn this language, that's why I am learning this language. Okay, because this is my passion to learn this language. So why I am blaming that my parents not send me in English medium school, that's why I am not able to learn this language? No, this is not good. Okay, friends. Okay, the past time have gone. Okay, friends, and present in your hand, so make your present good. So friends, don't repent in your past time. Okay, friends, so I would suggest you that if you have a eager to learn this language, then please start your journey. This is not a big issue. There are so many people who have done their whole education in Hindi medium school, but still they are speaking in English so good, so nicely. So friends, this is not a big deal to think that you are you were studying in Hindi medium school, that's why you are not speaking English. This is not a problem. Okay, friends, if you have these types of problem, then please remove it. Everyone can speak in English if they have eager. So friends, this is my third tips. Start your journey. Don't think your past time. Okay, friends, you should start your journey right now, because present time in your hand and past have gone. And my fourth problem is that when people thought that and they started their journey, after sometimes starting period, they have a lot of courage, a lot of eagerness to learn this language, and they started their journey. Okay, in very anxious, but after sometimes they feel that give up. Okay, because they feel that people's always laugh at me, people always fun of me, so they started to give up. Okay, friend, so I would like to say you that this is not a big problem. Okay, first, if you are in your journey, if you are a beginner in this language, then first you don't need to have go publicly. Okay, first you should start your journey with yourself. If you have a good friend, if you have a good partner with whom you learn this language, with whom you practice this language, that's very good. Okay, if you have no one, then you should start your journey with yourself. Okay, so you should start you you should start your journey. If you have a fear to make many types of mistakes, then don't worry, there is no one to judge you. Okay, after practicing, you will overcome your fear of mistakes. So don't worry about mistakes. Okay, no one can perfect in the world, friends, no one can perfect. Everyone have faced these types of problem. First you need to get rid of these types of fear. That's public, people laughs at you, people make fun of you. You get rid of your fear. I got rid of these types of fear. I also initially stated, I also feel that if I started to learn this language and I started and to make a video, when initially time I don't know how to speak in English. Okay, I am just starting to speak in English in a broken English. Okay, so there are so many types of mistakes, grammatically mistakes, there are so many types of mistakes. Okay, and pronunciation mistakes, and even still I am learning this language and still I am doing many types of mistakes. So what, कोई जेल तो नहीं डाल देगा ना? I'm learning, I'm a beginner, I'm learning this language only. So why I am worrying about the pupils? This is my choice to learn this language, so I am learning this language. Okay, I am not perfect. Okay, I'm not perfect, and I made a video and uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so what if people laugh at me? What if? I don't care about it, because I am a beginner, I am a learner. So still I am learning this language, so I am doing many types of mistakes. It's naturally. So I got rid of these types of problem. Okay, friends, and I am suggesting you that you should also get rid of these types of problem. Okay, after sometimes you feel more confident. If you feel more confidence, then you will speak in English more confidently, and at that time you are not doing so many types of mistakes, because practice makes a man perfect. So friends, do practice every time. Whatever you do in your home, in your office, in your anywhere, you should start to learn this language, read this language. Whenever you go, wherever you go, it's not matter, you English in your mind every time. Okay, it is not manage your time. At least you should start your journey with 5 or 10 minutes. After sometimes you can increase your time. After sometimes you can improving your vocabs, your grammatically portion. And so friend, this is my fourth tips. My five reason is that people face that someone think that quickly learn this language. Always people thought that why I am not speaking this language. Okay, because I am learning this language in 2 or 3 months, still I am not speaking in English. No, so this is not a 1 2 3 months, okay, months goal. It is a long journey. At least you start your journey. I'm doing many types of pronunciation mistakes. Journey, you feel that? So start your journey with speaking. फर्स्ट आपको गोल ऐसा बनाना चाहिए कि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी है, मुझे परफेक्ट इंग्लिश से मतलब नहीं है, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी है. फर्स्ट पहला गोल आपका ये होना चाहिए. यू शुड स्टार्ट योर जर्नी इन स्पीकिंग टर्म्स. ओके फ्रेंड्स, हियर आई गेव यू सम सजेशन of many types of problem. So friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comment. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.